Planning a new strategy. Want to boost customer satisfaction. Want to know why some of their projects are failing? What is process map? A process map visually shows the steps of a work activity and the people who are involved in carrying out each step. When mapping a process, you simply draw a box for each step and connect them with arrows to show a flow. Types of process maps. First is the basic flow chart. A basic flow chart is a simple map visualizing the steps of a process including its inputs and outputs. When to use? To plan a new project, to model and document process, to solve problems, to help team communicate ideas better, to analyze and manage workflows. Second one, high-level process map. This is also known as a value chain map or a top-down map. It shows the core activities of a process. It doesn't go into much detail about decision points, rework, loop, and roles. When to use? To identify the key steps and key details of a process. Detailed process map. A flowchart that shows a drilled down version of a process. This means all the details of a sub-processes are contained in this type of map. When to use? To give all details related to a process steps. Second one, to document the decision point within a process. The third one is cross-functional flowchart. A flowchart that shows the relationship between process steps and the functional units, responsible for them with swim lanes. It is also known as a deployment flowchart. When to use? To identify the key roles responsible for the process and how they relate to each other. To highlight how a process flows across company boundaries. And the third one is to identify potential process failure, redundancies, delays, rework, and excessive inspection. We also have SIPOC, shows the key elements of a process such as suppliers, inputs, process, outputs, and customers. When to use? To identify key elements of a process before doing a detailed map. And the last one is value stream maps. Visualize the flow of material and information that is needed to bring your product to the customer. When to use? To record measurements of the inputs and the outputs of process steps. The second one is to identify waste within and between processes. The third one is to document, analyze, and improve the flow of information and material.